On Sunday, Oates told the crowd at a meeting of JLP workers at Bethel Primary and Junior High School in Eastern Hanover that he had applied to become an official member of the Labour Party. Oates, a former policeman, told Nationwide News that he left the PNP because forces in the party tried to undermine him.
What led me to come over to the Jamaica Labour Party was that I experienced firsthand discrimination, bad treatment, and apart from that, they try to mar my character and my reputation in a very subtle way. And I don't think that is something that I wanted to continue. And most importantly, I spent at least $7.8 million that went down the drain, and I did not get a call from the leader of the party, Mark Wolin. I did not get a call from the General Secretary, Dayton Campbell, or any other senior members. It is in recent time I've seen persons now calling.
Oates says claims of corruption inside the Hanover Municipal Corporation also spurred his decision to ditch the PNP.